Legend of all trades. Welcome back to another awesome hair video by me. Alrighty, today is the video we are finally doing. I feel like it's been a while. I've been waiting like way too long. It's just been too long. Anyway, today we finally recolor this mess of hair that I have going on right now. As always, we are using all Arctic Fox hair color. So pretty much it's the only color brand that I use. So I am trying something new that I have not tried before. Though I do have an extensive collection of Arctic Fox, just about every color that they make. However, I have not tried Violet Dream. I've had Purple Rain, Girls Night, you name it, I've tried it. This one is new to me, and I was actually trying to get Purple Rain, but they were sold out. So we have that for our roots today, and we have our Virgin Pink for the rest of the hair. Now, this is because I had blue hair before, and I recently bleached the roots. So there is a lot, especially in the back, a lot of blue still left in my hair. So in order to counteract the blue without having to bleach my hair again, I'm putting the pink over top of it. I've never done this before, but the pink should counteract the blue, which will in turn make it a purpley kind of color. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this turns out. We're gonna have some purple streaks, we're gonna have some pink in there. I'm sure some of the pink's gonna show up. It's gonna be a big tie-dye hot mess. But I think it's gonna be pretty. So stick with me and let's see how this is gonna turn out. on for a couple of hours. I want this to stay. Ultimately, I would like to go a baby pink color. We're gonna see what we get this time around. I really needed to get off of that blue spectrum of the color wheel that I was on. So we're trying to get off of that, and that's the whole purpose of this. So we will see how this turns out in a couple of hours when I come back. I will see you with the final results. All right, guys, this is the final result. What do you think? I cannot believe I have never tried Violet Dream, Arctic Fox's other purple color. Like, how have I not tried this color before? As much as I love purple, like, I love this color. It is so pretty. It's like the perfect mix between like a purpley pink, like, it's so pretty. I really, really love that color. I think that is really like the highlight of this whole look. There are some weird spots where the blue like just didn't want to like hold any other color. So let me show you the back real quick. There's like these weird spots where it doesn't look like the color stuck very well. I'm not sure what happened. And then underneath you can also see like there's this streak of blue in there. So there's definitely some variation in color. I was fully expecting that anyway because my hair was like 5 different colors. But I think really, and it turned out really good. Anyways, I hope you guys give it a big thumbs up and you like this color because I'm digging it. I like it. Looks good. So if you are not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos, more good stuff coming up in the future. As always, every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. So I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.